Di mo na ba carry boom boom pow ang hairdo mo? Try mo na i-set para siguradong ganda ang Goldilocks mo. Oy, compare mo naman hair ni Isabel at ni Yeka.
Naluklok na yung kinabanglo di mo ako ni Isabel kaysa ni Yeka.
Ano sabi mo?
Astig hair ni Isabel, tsaka hair ni Yeka.
New L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5.
The first total reparation for the 5 signs of damaged hair with ceramide. L'Oreal's exclusive active ingredient that works similarly with natural hair ceramide. It keeps hair strong and healthy by filling in cracks with strengthened and resilient hair and sealing hair scales for replenished moisture in ultra smooth and ultra shiny hair surface.
Cement Ceramide repairs top 5 Filipino hair damage, hair fall, dullness, dryness, roughness, split ends. Hair looks healthy from root, strand, tip. Soft, silky, shiny.
Para sa mas matibay, mas buhay, mas makintab, mas madulas, at para mabawasan ang split ends, piliin ang L'Oreal Total Repair.
5 problems, 1 solution.